Hey there, Attorney Brian R. Kazarian with the law offices of Brian R. Kazarian. Today we're going to talk about domestic violence and the related charges. The first thing that you should know is there's several domestic violence charges out there. The first one is 243E of the Penal Code, which is a straight misdemeanor. In other words, it could never be charged as a felony. The other domestic violence charge is Penal Code Section 273.5A. That is what we call a wobbler, which means that the prosecution can have it charged as either a misdemeanor or a felony. Let's talk about the charges of domestic violence and what are the elements. Well, the elements is that injury was inflicted upon a victim and the victim was in some sort of domestic relationship with the defendant. What is a victim? A victim is a person who is a spouse, a former spouse, a girlfriend, a boyfriend, a former girlfriend or boyfriend, and anybody in which they have a child with. What are some of the penalties? Well, 243E of the Penal Code has a 1-year maximum and a $6,000 fine. 273.5 of the Penal Code has a 1 year in jail or up to 4 years in state prison with up to $6,000 in fines plus penalty assessment. What are some of the defenses? Well, the defenses to any kind of domestic violence is, maybe I didn't have any kind of domestic relationship at all with that person, or I did not even harm that person, or maybe this didn't happen at all. So if you or a loved one are ever involved in a domestic violence charge, contact the law offices of Brian R. Kazarian. We're here to help.